Samsung Galaxy S21 Fan Edition with 8 gigs of RAM shows up on Geekbench. Hey, what's up guys, we are back again with some latest news. So guys, as we are getting more and more closer to the Samsung Unpacked event, more information regarding the upcoming S21 Fan Edition has been arriving. Recently, we are pleasantly surprised by rumored price for the S21 Fan Edition, which might turn out to be cheaper than its predecessor, the Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Amongst those curves, a benchmark from the Geekbench database shows that the S21 Fan Edition with the 6 gigs of RAM in a base variant. However, apparently the price surprise we got was not the only one Samsung had in store for us. Thanks to a new listing, it now seems that fully spec'd out variant with the Snapdragon 888, 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage will be coming to all the markets. This is a different approach from Samsung compared to last year, and it is very welcome. The only variant of the S20 Fan Edition to comes with the amount of RAM and storage were those equipped with Exynos chipset from EU markets. Besides its RAM, storage and Snapdragon 888, it borrowed from the Samsung Galaxy S21. The S21 Fan Edition will also show off a 6.5-inch of Super AMOLED Infinity O display with a variable refresh rate of up to 120 Hz. As expected, below the panel of this AMOLED display will be coming a fingerprint reader as well. The front camera is rumored to be coming with a 32 megapixel of a selfie camera, while the one on the back side consists of 12 megapixel main sensor. Last month, we also found out that powering the phone will most probably by same 4500 mAh battery from last year models. Other specs include an IP67 certification for dust and water resistance, dual speaker, 5G and Wi-Fi 6. And honestly, even with just that amazing screen and Snapdragon 888, the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition is showing great promise at becoming one of the Samsung bestsellers this year, especially considering its price tag of $630 and $720. Anyhow, I'm pretty much excited about that particular device. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion? Moving forward, a batch of iPhone 13 models got certification by ECC. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 13 series in September, but before the sale, they must go towards the certification from regulatory authorities around the world. One such new certification that has been obtained by Apple through ECC has been leaked the information about the model number of upcoming Apple devices. The model numbers are started from A2628 up to A2645. In between, we have 4 different models as well. In total, we have 7 different models, and all these models are going to be of different. And all of those devices are running on iOS 14, and that's as much info we got from the listing. It's hard to tell which model number corresponds to which iPhone 13 devices at this point. As we know, Apple is expected to update the entire iPhone 12 series with all phones debuting 5nm A15 chips and a redesigned notch. The Pro models are set to feature 120Hz LTPO OLED screen, while the regular models will be coming with a 60Hz refresh rate. All iPhone 13 series phones are expected to gain the ultra-wide camera with f1.8 optics, and Pro devices rumored to get a sensor shift stabilization on both the main and ultra-wide snapper. Leaks are also pointing out a large battery capacity, with iPhone 13 mini will be 24/6 mAh, while iPhone 13 and 13 Pro are 3095 mAh cells, and the Pro Max could be coming with a 4352 mAh battery capacity, which would be the largest seen on an iPhone thus so far. Overall, in terms of price tag, I am pretty much excited about the Galaxy S21 Fan Edition because it is coming with one of the best specification inside from the Android world side, and I am really looking forward towards that. Anyhow, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What are your opinion regarding that? Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Peace.